How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device. Now tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp application to check any updates available for the application on your device. Here, as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the WhatsApp application. So we're going to go back and then tap on the settings application on our device. As you tap on the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on apps. Now select on manage apps and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp application over here. As you search for WhatsApp, you'll be able to see the application, so just wait until the app loads over here, and as you tap on it, tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of clear cache, so tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Afterwards, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. Now go back and relaunch your WhatsApp and this might fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.